Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can keep app bar naming visible in Microsoft Teams app. As you can see, these app bars, I have to hover over each and every bar for me to see the names. However, if I wish to make this app name visible or next to the app, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, in the first place, go to people here and click on that, and then head over to the settings gear. From here, look for appearance, and under appearance here, now you should see we have app bar. Here you are told you can customize your app bar layout and properties. So if you want to make some changes, you can turn this on. And now below it, we have keep the app bar visible when resizing. You're told when reducing the size of your Teams window, the app bar will remain visible for the most window size. Currently, it is not visible, and to turn this on, just toggle this on. And now, as you can see, our app bar wordings or namings are now visible. So that's how you can turn or keep the app bar visible when resizing in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.